Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on crypto.com. In order to do it, you just have to simply come to your crypto.com application and log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on crypto.com, you can even use the link that is given in the description in order to get $50 as your deposit amount or account creation amount. For that, you just have to follow certain tasks in order to claim that reward. So once you are on crypto.com, you just have to simply tap on the buy option that would be on the home page. Then you need to use the search bar in the top and search for XRP. Now once you have found XRP, you need to simply tap on it, and in the right hand section it will show you the current pricing of XRP. Now here by default it will take any of the amounts of XRP, but you can even enter your own amount, or you can even use these presets that are mentioned over here. Now here in the cash section it will by default take the payment method, as it has taken Google Pay for me. But if you want to use different methods, like if you want to use debit or credit card, you can even tap on the add payment method option and select the debit or credit card option. Over here you need to provide your debit or credit card details, and then you just have to simply tap on the add cards option. Now once you have selected your payment method option, you just have to tap on the buy option in the bottom, and then you will be redirected on this page, which is basically the confirmation. So here you just have to tap on the confirm option in the bottom, enter your passcode and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is done, you will get your XRP in your crypto.com account in no time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.